My name is Alicia Chappelle, and I'm in 7th grade. And the most important, why am I here, is that I'm here to teach other kids how to play soccer and also to accomplish their goals of being a better athlete. And DC Scores have been a very traditional thing for me because it taught me a lot throughout my whole entire year being in DC Scores. And I think from Bancroft to now Deal, I think it taught me a lot into soccer and also into school. I accomplished my reading skills, and all because of DC Scores, because DC Scores has helped me throughout the past maybe 5 or 4 years, and I just want to keep on playing soccer because of that.
I'm Juliana. I'm in 7th grade. I go to Deal. Why am I here? I'm here because I want to show the kids that DC Scores is not just some soccer program. I wanted to show them that DC Scores is really fun and that DC Scores is a cool program and that you can have fun in DC Scores, and I want them to become good athletes, like Alicia said, and have fun with each other and respect each other. And DC Scores has helped me complete my math skills. I was really bad at math, but when I heard about DC Scores, I was like, okay, I'm gonna try hard because I know that if I don't try hard, then Guzman's not gonna let me play a game, or I'm not gonna be able to focus in school. And DC Scores has helped me a lot with school too because I like DC Scores. I like playing with them. I just have so much fun with these kids.